Hey guys, Gaurav back with another video. So in today's video, I will do the unboxing of HP printer. It's a Deskjet Advantage printer. So let's begin. So guys, this is the box for this HP printer. The model name is Deskjet Ink Advantage 3775 all-in-one printer. As you can see, it says wireless. That means you can print pictures from your phones also. It has printer and scanning and copying also, so you can photocopy a page or scan a page. So and we have the specifications. It says OS 10, that's El Capitan on Mac, and OS 10 Yosemite and 10.9 Mavericks. So Windows 8 compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8.1, and Windows 8 and Windows 7 also. So and others. So let me just unbox it, and I will show you what comes inside the box. And this is both colored and black and white. You will get a colored cartridge, a black cartridge, and a USB cable included in this box. So guys, I have opened the box, and the first thing which we get is the cable, which is a power cord. As you can see, we have this port over here, and this will go into your plug. So let me just keep this aside. We have a USB cable to another connector which will go inside the printer. So let me just also keep this. And so as you can see, it says it's a black cartridge, and it says made in Malaysia. So this is black cartridge, and this is the colored one. Just take this out. It's a HP all-in-one series setup disk. So yeah, and we also have a card. So this is the colored cartridge. It's setup tricolor cartridge. So it's a colored one. So guys, this is the printer, and we actually have some booklets over here. So it's a quick setup guide booklet. So let me just also keep this aside, and let me just take this printer out, and I will be back. So guys, this is the printer, and we have the restriction of hard disk substance, that's for India. And you also have a guide how to prepare this printer, so in different languages. So yeah, this is the printer. So we have a power on off button over here, and a copy button over here. This is the I button for any information, or this is the wireless button so that you can print pictures and documents from your phone wirelessly through your internet. And this is for the colored, and this is for the black and white. So let me just remove this plastic. So guys, I have removed the plastic cover, and let me just give you an overview. So on the top we have the tray to add papers, and on the front side we have the area to add cartridges. So the print will come out of here, I guess. And we have the model name over here. We have the port, for example, we have this uh, port for adding this cable. uh, this port will go over here like this. So as you can see, this looks like this, and we have a port over here that will go like this, so that you can use your printer. And so this is a compact one, not it's not a very big, and it look cute actually. So and this says that it gives up to 480 pages with the HP's lowest price ink cartridge. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed the video of unboxing of HP Deskjet Advantage printer. If you do like the video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.